I'm just getting started here by doing some diagonal slices right down the sides of my puff pastry. Then you'll come right in and you'll just take off the two corners right here on the front and dispose of those to the side. Now I have this super tasty no-bake cheesecake. Oh my goodness, if you guys have not tried this yet, this is your calling. I'm gonna take just about 1 spoonful of this cheesecake and I'm just gonna spread it right here in the center of my puff pastry. This stuff is off the charts amazing. Do you guys use this? What are your favorite recipes? I wanna hear all about it. I'm gonna follow it up with some cherry pie filling because that is what I am in the mood for. Now, of course, you can use any pie filling. In fact, I wanna hear what kind of pie filling are you guys gonna choose for the inside of your puff pastry? Oh, I'm going with cherry here, but maybe you wanna do apple. I don't know, maybe you wanna do strawberry. Maybe you're gonna do something with pumpkin. I'm not sure, all are so good. Now, once that's in there, you're gonna come through and you're just gonna crisscross these sides that you cut. So it's almost like you're kind of giving this dough a little braid all the way down. So we'll just crisscross these sides all the way in, and if some of that sticks out, some of that cherry, it is all good, right? Sometimes I love when you have a good little Danish and it has just some of that peeping out right in the center. Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. So just do that all the way down to the very bottom. All right, this is looking so good. I'm tucking in these sides that we have stuck out a little bit and it's looking great. I'm gonna carefully use my hands and bring it right here onto my baking sheet. And what we'll do is we'll slide that right over. Grab 1 egg, you'll go ahead and you'll crack that right into your bowl. That's all you need. Then we'll just give it a little bit of a stir. Now, of course, this isn't a have-to step. You don't really have to put the egg wash on top, but I really love how it brings out the dough and it glistens. It just looks way more professional and put together. So if you do have an egg, go ahead and get that on there. Other than that, if you want to use butter instead, if you're more of like a spread the butter on the top, that also works as well. So you can pick whatever you have in the house. Don't feel like you have to make an extra trip out to the store just to get the egg. I know that they're super pricey. Anyways, how much are you paying for eggs these days? I don't know. They went down a little bit, I think, but sheesh, still. All right, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It's gonna cook at 375 for about 20 minutes, and stick around. You're gonna love this easy breakfast treat. The moment we've all been waiting for. Check that out. Does that not look like a top-notch homemade recipe? I swear, you will fool your guests with this one, 100%. I love the way that the cherry is oozing out with a little bit of that cheesecake filling. I love it for the presentation. The egg wash just makes the top nice and golden brown, and I'm gonna cut myself a good piece right here in the front. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. What are you eating this for breakfast? Are you gonna do this for dessert? Are you gonna have this with your morning coffee or your tea? Are you gonna serve this on a holiday or a special occasion? Tell me all about it while I scarf down my first bite. That's what I'm talking about. So good, simply the best. Anyone can make this recipe, it's so easy. I need to know if you guys are gonna change anything. Are you sticking with cherry? Are you moving on to something else? I don't know. Do you try the cheesecake filling? What is your favorite dessert? I need to know all the things. All right, I have a feeling that it's getting all over my face right now, so I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna let you guys go so you can go ahead and make this yourself. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you later.